Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare Bhindi rice. For this recipe I prepped up all the ingredients and reserved. Here I've washed the okra, finely chopped it and reserved. We need pre-cooked rice, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, finely chopped onion, tomato, chilies and ginger and garlic paste. Now I've heated a wok. To the wok I've added refined oil and I've added tomato, onion, chilies and curry leaves. I'll fry the onion and tomato till it has reduced a bit. So I kept stirring it and frying it. Now I've added finely chopped okra, that is lady's finger, and I've started to fry this. This is a perfect dish for tiffin box, or you can serve it as a lunch. It's very nice. Now once the okra has fried for 2 minutes and all that slimy part has reduced, I've added ginger and garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, asafoetida. I've also added sambar powder and garam masala. Now I'll be frying all these ingredients till the raw flavor has reduced. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, along with my other social media handle links and a detailed blog post link where I've written a recipe in detail and posted. Now I'll fry the okra till it has cooked well and all the raw flavor from the masalas have reduced. Now here you can see the masala is reduced. You can serve this okra as it is for rotis. It's very nice and tasty for rotis, friends. Now I'll be adding my cooked rice and I'll stir all the ingredients till the okra masala is well incorporated in the rice. Do check for salt and add salt, because once you add rice the salt quantity will reduce. So add salt and lemon juice as per your preference. Just allow it to cook for 2 minutes on low to medium flame. Now my okra rice is ready. I'm just going to garnish it with some coriander and serve it hot. Hope you all enjoyed this video, friends. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.